put some chipotle peppers in there. It's gonna change your life. Try them out. If your meals taste good, you're more likely to eat them, right? If you make eating healthy easy, you're gonna stay on track. It's gonna be easier. Remember, if you did good, go ahead and treat yourself. Ain't no wrong with that. Let's go. 70 grams of protein in about 10 minutes in one meal. Come on now, let's go shopping. All right, so 70 grams of protein in one meal. Check this out. All you gotta do is go get you some lean ground turkey. All right, you can use beef if you want to, but lean ground turkey, man, come on now. 99% fat-free. 4 ounces is 28 grams of protein. So we're gonna use 2 servings of this. So we're gonna use 8 ounces, all right? Might seem like a lot, but it's not that much. After you cook it, you'll see that it's not that much. Plus it's gonna taste great. Now what you can do is just break this up into 2 meals so you can have a lunch and a dinner. Just lean ground turkey. Go try some turkey. Now the thing about turkey is you have to season it right, because look, if it's that low fat, it's not gonna have any flavor, okay? It's gonna be real dry. Let me know in the comments, if you use turkey, what do you use to season it? What kind of sauces and spices do you use to season it up? Because I'm always looking for new ideas. But if you're gonna get some turkey, make sure you add something to it, all right? Let me show you what to add to turkey that'll help it taste a lot better. All right, in this meal right here, we're gonna use these right here, black beans. All right, go get you some black beans. You can use half a cup to a cup of black beans. You're gonna get your meat, you're gonna get you some beans. Now beans are great. They have protein, they have fiber, and they're really good for you, okay? So keep a can of black beans in stock. I use black beans all the time, okay? For example, so you're looking at half a cup is only 100 calories, got 8 grams of fiber in half a cup, okay? And 6 grams of protein, all right? So what I used was, because I was using 8 ounces of turkey, I used 1 cup of black beans. I put the juice in there too, because it's gonna help it get some flavor, all right? So make sure you add that in there. Now for the sauces, one of my favorite sauces that I keep in stock is this right here, the Siete red enchilada sauce. This stuff is a game changer. Keep this in stock. If you have beef, if you have chicken, if you have turkey, if you have anything, keep this in stock. This is a game. If you don't know what you're gonna eat tonight, cook some beef, cook some turkey, cook some chicken, and just add a little bit of this. I promise you it's gonna taste good, okay? I mean, it's just a game changer. Keep it in stock because you don't need much of it. This jar will last me a little while because you don't use much of it. Let me show you. 1 serving is 1/4 cup, and it's only 25 calories. 25 calories, man, come on now. 1 gram of fiber, so it's 2 net carbs, 1 gram of fiber, and 1 gram of protein in here, okay? So that's why I like to go with this one. 25 calories, man, you can't beat that, all right? So I use 1/4 cup to a half a cup usually on my meal. So this meal right here is about half a cup or so. Add this into there. It is gonna taste so good. Your kitchen's gonna be smelling good. I'm trying to tell you, it is good. You get down with Siete enchilada sauce, you let me know in the comments. If you have some recipes I can try, let me know in the comments as well. Plus the community can use those as well. All right, now this right here is totally optional, but I highly recommend you try this out, okay? Go get you a jar of these right here. These chipotle peppers, man, talk about flavor. If that turkey is way too dry, come on now, put some chipotle peppers in there. It's gonna change your life. Try them out, all right? Let me know if you get down with these because, man, they're good. You keep these in stock, keep these in the fridge. I mean, I'm trying to tell you, keep these 2 in the fridge right here. Your protein's never going to be boring again. It is a simple way to make your meals taste. I mean, look, if your meals taste good, you're more likely to eat them, right? If you make eating healthy easy, you're gonna stay on track. It's gonna be easier. If you keep these in stock, man, I'm trying to tell you, it's a game changer. Come on now. Now, of course, with anything, you gotta check the nutrition on the back. So let's see here. So we're looking at 2 tablespoons, it's 15 calories, and 2 carbs, and 1 gram of fiber, and 1 gram protein in here. 2 tablespoons, that's plenty. All right, so this is optional. Add it into your meat. It'll help it give some flavor. And I'm trying to tell you, your whole kitchen's gonna be smelling good. Trust me, okay? All right, another thing to add to it, this is optional as well, but I highly recommend you try it out. There's some cheese. Come on now, cheese just makes everything taste great. Now, this is one of the little cheat codes right here. If you wanna get down with a good cheese, this is a 4 cheese right here, 4 cheese mix. This is the one I like to go with. If I'm not shredding it off the block, I go with this one right here, all right? With any cheese, like with any food, really, you gotta measure it out. Come on now. So we're looking at 1/4 cup is 100 calories, 8 grams of fat, and 6 grams of protein. And that's why I always say, especially with cheese, you gotta measure this stuff out. 1/4 cup is not that much, but it's enough for the meal, okay? If you measure it out, don't just go do this on top of your meal because you're gonna throw them calories way off. You don't wonder why you're not hitting your goals. Make sure you're tracking everything with MyFitnessPal. Go download it, put it on your phone now. I'm trying to tell you. I either use this or I just go straight from the block. I ain't playing. I just grab this, I grab a shredder, just shred up your own cheese, but then you have to measure it, okay? You have to weigh it out, all right? So for example, 1 ounce is 120 calories, 10 grams of fat, and 6 grams of protein in this right here, okay? So how do you know? It's because you have a scale in your kitchen, right? You shred it, and then you measure it with the scale. You weigh it out, okay? So that's how you hold yourself accountable on this one. You shred it out, you weigh it out. All right, now you can also go with a fat-free cheese too if you want to. If that's what fits into your goals, go that route. Just make sure on the fat-free cheese, when I use fat-free cheese, I like to wash it. So I found that whenever I rinse it, not wash it, but rinse it, it really helps it melt better onto the meals. Okay, so try that out if you're going to use a fat-free cheese, but I'm gonna use a little fat in mine. Come on. Now this is totally optional as well, but I highly recommend you put some of this on there. Taco Bell fire sauce. Have y'all tried this? Man, this stuff is good. Let me know in the comments. Do you get down with Taco Bell fire sauce? This stuff is good. I put this on everything. So if you have tried it, let me know. Put it in the comments. All right, it's got tons of flavor. I'm trying to tell you, just go get you something, try it out. All right, come on now. You always try to add some type of veggie with each meal. Okay, so broccoli, cauliflower, whatever you want to do. But one of my favorites is asparagus. Now these are simple to cook. All right, all you got to do is I like to just put them in a pan with maybe a little spray butter or some real butter if you want to, whatever fits into your personal goals, olive oil, and then just sprinkle a little bit of like Tony Chachere's or some type of seasoning on top. And man, just cook them. They cook in like 2-3 minutes. They cook really quick, but make sure you're getting some type of veggie in each meal. All right, they're just good for you. Come on now, especially the green ones with asparagus. Man, I keep these in stock because they're so easy. You can also cut these up, cut them in little pieces, and add them to the turkey meat as you're cooking it. So you kind of sneak them in there. Even if you don't like vegetables, cut these up, put them in the meat, throw all the salsa and the cheese on top. You won't even know. All right, if you're trying to feed the kids some veggies, man, sneak that joker in there. They're not even gonna know it. All right, so try that out. All right, so if you're trying to sneak some veggies in, this is the perfect meal to do it with. All right, but I like to go with asparagus, but get you a green veggie, some type of veggie, and put some veggies in your life. Come on now. All right, now if you did good on your lunch, let's say breakfast, lunch, and dinner, go ahead and treat yourself at nighttime. Okay, so treat yourself with something like this. Have y'all seen this? Bluebell has a protein ice cream now. Come on now, protein ice cream. Let's go, Bluebell. All right, now if you don't have Bluebell, you can pick some other kind if you want to, but make sure, especially if you're treating yourself, you have to measure it out. All right, so don't just go eat this whole pint unless it fits into your diet. But how you gonna know? It's because you're gonna be measuring. Okay, so let's check this out. So we're looking at 2/3 cup. It's 100 calories, 2 grams of fat, and 11 grams of protein in 2/3 cup. That's not much, but it's enough. All right, so what I like to do with this as well is I will add this to like a serving of yogurt in the evening. Add that so I get some more protein in. So I get the protein from the yogurt, and plus I add this in there, so you get your ice cream and some protein. Man, that's a win-win. Remember, if you did good, go ahead and treat yourself. Ain't no wrong with that. Let's go. So there you have it. Man, you got to try this meal. It's so simple. All right, I made it super quick. It cooks. It cooks in like 10 minutes. Okay. So like I said, you can use turkey or beef, whichever one you want to get down with, but keep those sauces in stock because you will be using them. You got to stay ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready, and make sure you're tracking all this. Okay, because I like to say, if you ain't tracking, you're slacking. Now come on, put MyFitnessPal on your phone, hold yourself accountable. All right, so I'm gonna go home and make this because, man, I'm looking forward to it, and I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.